Hi, I'm Michelle from GARDENWORKS, and it's the fall season. There's beautiful color outside on all the foliage and the trees. What I'm going to show you how to do today is some beautiful fall tablescaping with some fresh branches and some pumpkins and gourds. So I've set my tablecloth down. It's got some beautiful fall colors in it, the corals and the greens. So I'm going to accent it and do a table runner with all my fresh branches and pumpkins and gourds. So the first thing I'm going to start with is my stems of maple. These are nice long pieces, so I'm only going to need 2 of them. I'm going to set them right in the center of my table, and that's going to set the foundation for my other branches. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my fresh indoor plants, and I've got some beautiful 4-inch calanchos that I'm going to add in the center in a beautiful terracotta pot, just keeping with the color scheme. And the final part of my table runner will be my gourds and pumpkins. And that's how easy it is to have a beautiful fall tablescaping using branches, maples, your pumpkins and gourds, and some fresh indoor plants.